I put out a picture of my Ikan Bakar, which I learned how to make, and all of you were like, one recipe, not recipe. So I'm gonna share with you how I make my Ikan Bakar indoors. Right, so I have my sambal tumis here. I have 3 ikan cencaru. So how do you add maximum flavor? You add in some soy sauce. Just a dash of soy sauce, light soy sauce, a dash of white pepper, salt, some vegetable oil, okay? And juice of 1 calamansi lime. So what you need to do is just like rub and marinate your fish. So I've split them at the stomach area, taken the stomach out. I'm gonna add in my sambal. Okay, so get yourself a generous amount of sambal and place it inside the cavity. So you take the banana leaf, just roll your fish in all that awesome goodness, and then you just wanna like tuck it in, okay? Doesn't need to be perfect. Roll it once. If you have extra, just get rid of it. Okay, perfect. So over here, I have my pan. Once it's nice and hot, we're gonna add in a little bit of oil. Okay, so the pan is nice and hot. Now you go in with the fish, okay? Okay, so what we wanna do is, at this point, been in there for like half a minute or so. Just turn the fish around, the other side. Yeah! This is the most important bit, okay? Add a bit of that sambal right in the middle and on the side. And then you add a bit of water. Cover it. So what that's doing is it's kind of like steaming the fish, so you get that like soft and kind of like buttery like fish, and then you get that crispy exterior. You want to steam the fish until all the moisture is gone, and then you start seeing the caramelization of the sambal. Once the banana leaf is kind of like falling off, just remove it. So you got that beautiful coloring on your fish. It's obviously cooked, as you can see, kind of flaking. Get yourself a nice plate. Don't get rid of this, right? We want to embrace our Malaysianness. So pick up your fish, nicely golden color, pile it up nice and high, cut up some limes. Okay guys, there you have it, my Ikan Bakar made indoors. It looks super legit, doesn't it? Yeah! I can tell you this is good. I can eat all 3 just by myself.